Coming to Python introduction, so today we'll see what is Python and why Python is so popular among all other programming languages. So what is Python? Basically, Python is a general purpose and high level programming language. All companies are using Python programming language to develop, testing and maintenance the application, etc. There are mainly two types of programming language. One is high level language, another one is low level language. Now what is the difference between high level language and low level language? Basically, high level language means human readable language, easy to understand. And low level language is machine readable language, like bits in terms of zeros and one we have to convert. Okay, so basically whenever you will give any command through the keyboard, it just convert into the bits, that is 1 and zeros. That is how computer understand it. Okay, it is generally, if you tell any words or sentence, it never understand in terms of English words. Okay, where are all Python is using in application level to develop desktop applications, to develop web applications, big data related applications, machine learning, data science and many of other applications. Basically, coming to history of Python, it was developed by Guido van Rossum in the year of 1989. In some of the textbook you will find it is showing that 1992, 93. So don't worry about that. It just range between 1989 and 1992. It is an open source. I mean, it's a free, readily available on the internet. You can download it free of cost. We can download it freely and customize the code as well. So Python support, basically Python support both functional programming language as well as object-oriented programming language. So it is a combination of both. Okay. Now, what is the advantages of Python? Basically, the advantages of Python is easy to code, improve productivity, vast library support, a lot of career opportunity for you, used almost everywhere. So, initially I told you why Python is so popular among any other programming language. The main advantages is there is a vast library, rich in library represented in the Python. Let's say you want to do some numerical operation, then you can go for a beautiful library that is called NumPy. Suppose you want to deal with, data frame, like how people are dealing with, a Spark data frame. Similar in Python, if you want to represent everything in the tabular format, like row columnar format, then it has a beautiful library called Pandas. By using Pandas, you can create the Pandas data frame and you can play around the data in terms of, tabular structure. Okay. Then Matplotlib to represent in the visualization, like to represent in the visual diagram, like pie chart, bar chart, everything you can draw by using the Matplotlib and Seaborn. And lot more other library like scikit-learn, Keras, TensorFlow, like you can use either in the deep learning and machine learning. That is the reason why Python is very popular among any other programming language like let's say C, C++, Java, Scala and all. Okay, and basically in the YouTube video recommendation, personalized content, personalized advertisement, many more. That is where the application of Python you will be able to see. And what is the goal of this course? Basically, to understanding of Python construct, you would be able to code in Python and ready to move with data science and machine learning or development. Today, we will see about the installation of the Python. So basically, I will give this URL in the description part. You can check this out. Okay. So basically, you have to click the link. After clicking on the link, it will just go to a page where you have to select. Just follow the step. So basically, we want to install the Python 3.6.0 version, or maybe you can install 3.6.5. Okay. Don't try to use the higher version of the Python because that is not yet stabilized. Still in the industry, people are using not the latest version, just 1-2 step below of the latest version. So maybe 3.6 or 3.7 is fine. Okay. So here we'll install the 3.6.0. So that will see how we are installing. So you have to click on the link given in the description box. After that, scroll down till to see the below screen. So basically you will see the Windows X 86 executable installer, that is for 64-bit. Okay, if it's you are using 32-bit OS, then you have to choose accordingly. Then once you will click the URL, then there is a pop-up will come. Then you have to click on the run button. Okay, once you will click the run button, it will there is another pop-up will come like this. Here you can see install Python 3.6.0 only for 64-bit. If your OS is 32-bit, then here you have to choose the appropriate file, not the highlighted file. Okay, fine. Then you can see we have to add in the path. Okay, we have to check this checkbox, that is add Python 3.6 to path. If you will not do, then after installation you have to add manually. So just to avoid that confusion, better to choose the checkbox at the time of installation, so that you will not take the pain after the installation to set the path. Okay, once you check, then click on the next. Okay, then the installation is started. You can see there is in progress the installation. Once it will complete, you can see there is a successful message saying that setup was successful. Okay, if you are able to see this message, then happy you can go ahead for happy coding. That it means that you have successfully installed the Python. Once after install Python, then open the command prompt and run the executable below command, that is pip install Jupyter, because we have already installed the Python. Now we have to install a Jupyter. Then in the Jupyter environment we want to code it. Okay, then after installing Python, you have to install Jupyter. To install Jupyter, you have to open the command prompt and you have to run the command below command, that is pip install Jupyter, like this, pip space install space Jupyter. Then you have to press the enter button. Once you click the enter button, this command will be executed successfully. After then we need to run below command. Then to open the Jupyter environment, you have to say in the same command prompt, you have to write Jupyter space notebook. Then you can see like a below page will open, and to test it, just write print welcome to data science, and you will able to see a message welcome to data science. It means you have successfully installed the Python. Yeah, it means you have successfully installed the Jupyter Notebook and you are able to code in the Jupyter Notebook environment. Thank you. Have a nice day.